Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm coming on to tell you about the, I built this bike, I started this bike back in sort of, I think it was early 2019, mid 2019, somewhere around there. There's loads and loads of videos as I've been posting sort of on Insta and Facebook over the last sort of 12 months or slightly more than 12 months. The photos or the videos were not done for YouTube, so they're all sort of short clips. However, we're sort of joining them all together and making little mini movies out of them, and these will be uploaded to YouTube on a regular basis. They won't be YouTube quality because they were not shot that way, but they'll give you a good indication of how the build went and what happened and the sort of the ups and the downs of the build. They'll be posted regularly. That's about as much as I can tell you. Click on the bell on my page, and what that will do is that will give you a notification when a new video goes up, so you'll be able to keep track of it as it goes. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye bye. As you can see, I haven't got a bike bench per se. I use old hospital beds, and one of the big advantages to old hospital beds is if you happen to have two of them, as you can see, which I do, you can clamp them both together, and voila, you've got yourself a big flat bench for a three-wheeler. I will show you. This is the bike. I built it about 2 years ago. It needs a complete sort of stripped down rebuild. More work needs to be done. As you can see, the foot pegs still on there. It's sitting on the sides on the center stand. Both of them will be gone when the bike is finished. Handlebars, don't need those. They'll be gone. Around the back, well, the wheel's not there, but well, obviously we're going to need that. As you can see, there is plenty of room to work the sidecar. I've already explained the sort of the ins and outs of the actual decorations of the sidecar. I'll go into that briefly now. All these guys, they're going to be brass dimple dyed in brass sort of accent pieces. All these brass strips, the whole front of it is going to lift and tilt on hydraulic rams. The windscreen, which is kind of flopsy there at the moment, but that's eventually going to be made of copper. That's just a sort of template to give me an idea of what the thing would look like. There is a grill going in the front here to sort of simulate a hot roddy type setup. That wheel going in the bin, skinny wheel, not interested. Too small, so there'll be a bandit rear wheel going in there. Seat is roughly in the position where I want it. Now that I've seen it, I can sort of see it here for the first time. It actually looks pretty good. There is the back here. It's a bit less than I want. It will be coming back to roughly, give or take, about here. Whatever line the back wheel takes, it'll become roughly parallel with the back of the wheel. Timber here, timber here, timber all the way through. As you can see, timber all the way through there. Excuse me. For now, that's pretty much what we're getting. Okay, talk to you again soon.